So from here now you have to do now the next one, which is now to eliminate the next entry, which is this one. So how do you eliminate that one?
We multiply by -2.
You multiply by -2. And when you multiply by -2, what do you have?
-2x.
-2x.
Plus 4.
Plus 4. And from here now you now complete your long division. So which means, what are you going to have as remainder?
3.
You're going to have the remainder as 3. Now that you've completed your long division of this expression here, you will notice that you can actually write it as the quotient, which is the number up here. So you're going to write it as x squared minus x minus 2 plus the remainder, which is 3, all of this over x minus 2. Now the procedure of moving from here to here is what we call the simplification of a partial fraction. You would generally use it only when you notice that the fraction is improper.
Don't you worry, child. Teachers have a tutor for you.